Mizu is a new open-source project by Up9 that helps SREs, DevOps, and microservices developers get to the root cause quickly. It delivers unparalleled troubleshooting and API observability for Kubernetes developers by unpacking all microservice communication, including API payloads with support for modern protocols like REST, gRPC, RabbitMQ, Kafka, Redis, and service mesh technologies like Istio, Linkerd, and Consul. Think Wireshark reinvented for Kubernetes. Mizu infers service dependency mapping information directly from production traffic. It reconstructs the open API specifications and tracks all API changes for all services and all APIs over time. Mizu uses Kubernetes APIs to provide a scalable API observability solution that works effortlessly on demand on any cluster of any size without requiring any code instrumentation.